Uya kima mwanjwa humo rigarili Ogetembe TV magoroba ya lero litukeliga lia 13 tariki 13 umoti nyino yo kabire umwaka bwekiribu 2025 nomo nase nakwareganiria amange kima ase ensemo yekeunga ejuma chinsa ibere animono ase etaro yabarai abanene ba serikali asoro guragusi asiri tukulia lero twabate mwasiri ebwa mangana yechiguru cyomurero omosike obiyo gundaji na boigo omorikyo manene abwe wizara yegisemi musike Professor Julius Bitoke na boigo omoriki omonene ase wizara yobereranie omosike Stephen Isaboke abanyaka bagutara chinsema ohime county ya Kisii na boigo hegatia baraibanda bange abanyaka bagukirana namono kwanekia amagendero ase chinsema aho boigo mwanjo morigereri haritukulia lero ababwatani abanene be amangana yokubwaterana gatie county yechi county amone serikali anene emanyekanete buna gusinze kiombe kabake na IPG kura wa muno mukonyi bumuraibense omoske Professor Abraham Turekendege na romba mirana litukulia lero asa manganya rakawa gago kwanerwa mwanjo morigereri kene konga ejoma chinsa ibere chenigongoro kwa runyo toto nyaingiri kurwase ensemble manyelio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli kabana into ikomari mwanjo morigereri kionga chinsa ibere nigotogo chaka na ekurwase county ya Kisii na mono bunge ya Nyaribari chache ase mwasiri we chinguru cyomurero gose Energy and Petroleum musikobyo wandanyi anyakaba kugakora umuroberio wogo chakwa oboge kiwestima ase chinyomba ase bunge ya Nyaribari chache ime county ya Kisii moyego yo nigo hariganirwa no mujumbe we bunge yo omosike Sairi Chanda agukwana chinga kiechyo wandanyi niganyara kwa kwane kebuna imiroberio ya serikali ase sector y'umuriro chinga kiechi nigo gose niganyaka bakwane kebuna imiroberio nigeragendere elikwane kuna aba Kenya habangi na mono kurwa chinsemo chebinyorime ngonyara bali chinguru ekyo cy'umuriro gose estima nigabolia aba Kenya kugenda kubwatesia uburayi bwaye omurayi bwense omoske William Samoei Ruto munagotumanya bulikito Daniel Ontere.
Yeah, 1 2 3 very good. Very good, very good.
Gukwana chinga kichego chakia umuroberio bokwego kwa wechinguru chistima ase chinyomba au ase kenyero kyabokebo meyaboronye kegotoka Kyogoro Nyaribari chache ase county ya Kisii wondai nigo chinga kicho haralia bene umuroberio we serikali bokweneka chinyomba chiri busato nechimisano chanyolire chinguru echiga nabuna ebese yabekirwe yokugendereria umuroberio yo.
Ndio sababu mwaka wa fedha huu Mheshimiwa Rais kupitia Bunge la Taifa ameweka pesa taslimu kwa bajeti shilingi 2.5 bilioni 2.5 katika hii kaunti ya Kisii kwa ajili ya kuunganisha stima kwa wananchi wa Kisii County karibu households 35,000 na katika hiyo pesa hii constituency ya Nyaribari Chache kupitia juhudi ya huyu mungwana Zahir hii constituency imepata karibu shilingi milioni 250 kuunganisha more than 3,500 households, na hii ni mwaka huu peke yake. Tukiendelea mbele pesa zingine zitaongezeka kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Rais anataka ya kwamba ikiwezekana kila kijiji, kila boma na ikiwezekana zaidi kila nyumba iwe na stima.
Ase gikaro ekyo kyariganirwa n'umubunge w'ensemiyo Moske Sairi Chanda nagekeranwa n'abarai au egati abo mokonyi b'umugavana we county ya Kisii Moske Lijo Bebo wandai nigo chinga kecho hawali bamenyi b'ensemiyo kogendera kumubotisia umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ase gangaya yo kogendereria magendero ase chinsemo au
Mheshimiwa Rais Daktari William Ruto ambaye pia ni rafiki wa karibu sana wa Mheshimiwa Zahir ni rais ambaye amekumbuka ya kwamba na ametambua ya kwamba wananchi wa Kenya hii bila kujali sehemu ambao wanatoka, bila kujali kabila yao, bila kujali dini yao, na bila kujali rangi yao. Amesema ya kwamba wananchi wote wanastahili wapewe haki yao kimaendeleo.
Ekero muliro bekirwe wakati moto umewekwa bantu ba minto. Musijaribu bantu banza kuiba chiwaya. Ogaba iga barusi waya ya malibato wake kerere. Mwarama nganayo. Yakero muliro boke enyanse miyondera be kero monto bravo be nyomba. Erebuya gosere bobe.
Asense mwende Zaire nigo agokera umuroberio yo nabona noche gokonya hasi gusiria ibibeya hasi nyaribari chache.
Katika serikali ya Rais William Ruto haiwezekani watu wakae wakitumia koroboi, na mimi kama mjumbe nimesema mtu yoyote akipatikana anatumia koroboi unashikwa na chief, unawekwa ndani. Hiyo ndio maneno tuko naye, si ndio?
Umuroberio ongabunoiga nigubogo agendererwa hasi kinyuro kigena itambe na magaye ochakia okorosigwa gwepara yelami hasi chinsemo au hasi bongeyo unencheremo yokagendererwa gwikarania chirali retabamenyi chinga kyalinge koligia korabu no mubonge kuriboterega tasini kyagetembe kurega se county ya Kisii leterane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri.
Na mujumbe wa kaunti ya Kisii Muskedonya Doris Aburi nigo nyarka wa kubolia egetambukiro egetindiko imukirigwa bali bonsi bagotokana na mamocho gose bagokagerwa koimoka gotachira abana inse gose konyarka bakwingira abana na mono abana abanyaruka. Muskedonya nigale kwana chinsemo chia sugubo imegwodi ya Nyacheki ebunge ya babasi chingagia nyarka bagotwara umuroberio monene bwo nyarka bagagusira ebyombe ao.
Kwa hivyo hii mambo wengine wana defile watoto wanaamka asubuhi wakienda shuleni, kuna shida kubwa sana. Wengine wanawapata kwa barabara 4:30 Kisii hakuna stima, watu wanaingia kwa shamba wana defile hawa watoto. Ndio mimi wanasema na hawa wa kudefile wanafaa wafinywe kabisa, ile utumie ile makasi kubwa, wafanywe hata castration, sio kwa ubaya, because this is very wrong. Na cases za defilement tafadhali, because hapa Kisii watu wanafanya arbitration, mnakuja mnatafuta arbiter, mnakubaliana, mnasema hii kesi tuongee nyumbani, tupeane mbuzi, tupeane ng'ombe, na mtoto at the end of the day anaumia. La mwisho, mtoto mwenye amekuwa defiled, wacha kuambia shame on you. Shame on you should be on that person who has defiled. Eti aibu kwa huyu mtoto amedefile. Ako na aibu gani? Hakujidefile. Sasa mnamwambia shame on you namna gani, na mnawacha victim akitembea? There should be no answer, there should be no justification. Mtu jibu ya defilement ni castration, si tuanze kueleza kotini ukifumble, ukipatikana ukishika mtoto mdogo, jamii fungiwa kule ndani mara moja.
Na mo wasiri wechsemi mo Julius Migoso gamba nigo anekire buna kobwaterana nigo kogenderete animo samangana yechsemi gatiense ya Kenya amo nense ya France. Mo Migoso gamba niga kwana yugo magega yokomerana muno wasiri wechsemi kurwa sense ya France oyo nyarka bagotarara ense ya Kenya korigereria animo no chinjera awacho kobwaterana iligo kinia chisemi chechinse chio ibere.
So it is aligned with our bottom-up economic agenda of digitizing our economy and ensuring that all our trainees that we are producing from our programs are aligned and they are skilled, competent to be able to undertake whatever job that they can get both locally and internationally. The support we've received from Germany, from France and from the European Union amounts to almost, I think, 46 million euro. And it is going to target a number of our institutions in terms of infrastructure, digital infrastructure, the digital gadgets, and also the content itself, training our trainers, etc. So it's a program that is 100% aligned with our government's bottom-up economic agenda for our country. And we thank our partners for coming through to give us that support. That 46 million euro is made of a soft loan and grants as well that enables us to undertake this particular program. And I thank the ambassadors here and the minister from France for the support, the collaboration that we've had. From Germany, as you know, we adopted the dual training policy where our students do 50% of their learning in institutions and they do the other 50% in industry, so that by the time they are coming out of the institutions, they do not require to be retrained. They come out skilled ready, and that saves time and saves.
Na mwancho muligali muliki omonene gosomolike botambase wisara yechisemi omoske Professor Julius Bitoke oyukirana ase omorobolio omochumbe we county ya Kisii obogosira ebyomi asinsemo chianya chekime bunge yobasi nigo nekiribuna serikali nigo egenderete kwene kibuna abana bonsi nkonyora bale chisemi omoske Bitoke boigo nigaru gochika abana bonsi bali utaragenda chisukuru banyaka bagoikirana ase chisukuru gochaka litukulia Jumatatu.
Ni kazi kwa mara ya kwanza kwa miaka mingi serikali ya William Ruto pia imeweza kutuma pesa ya capitation kabla shule haijafunguliwa, kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Rais ameweka mambo ya elimu kibao mbele. Mambo ya transition, watoto kutoka junior kwenda senior. Saa hii tukiongea na tumeongea na Mheshimiwa Migos ambaye anatoka hii county. Sasa hii ministry ni ama Julius Migos wa kwenyu na Julius Bitoke wa Uasin Gishu County. Wacha niseme hivi kwamba hivi majuzi Mheshimiwa Rais hao wasichana wote 200 lazima warudi shule kutoka Jumatatu. Kama wako na uniform ama hawana, kama wako na pesa hawana, lazima warudi wapi? Shule. Warudi wapi? Hao wasichana wote lazima warudi shule. Na nataka kuamrisha Sub-County Director of Education washikane na ngao kuhakikisha kwamba hao watoto wote wamerudi wapi? Doris Nyanguso ni wapi hapa? Sini hapa karibu. Bibi yangu anatoka hapa. Sasa niko hapa kama semeji. Semeji amefika wapi? Area. Ruto hajasikia ku status jamani. Danya akipeleka ujumbe hapa atasema ilikuwa sauti sio sana. Arambe!
Boigo mwancho muligiri muliki omanene ase wisara ya barana niko se broadcasting and communication omoske Steven Isabo kyo boigo kirana ase omorobolio yo chise chinse mochi godi ya ncheki nera niganya kabaga gukwanira amangana yoburai sanya kabakobolia gasa kukyo mugusi kugendera gosira oborai bwaye omorai bwense omoske William Samoei Ruto na boigo gosira oborai bu mugavana be county ya Kisii omoske Paul Simba Arati.
All parts of the county and the country. It's important that the digital cable is embraced because, in fact, people are doing a smaller scale farming. Also, in terms of technology and agriculture, just make sure we cover all those, and everyone has a wasi or kurmasige masige tigange kyonyo masige east mbo basiere muna mumai tembo basiere teke ugaira mani ko nyango zinya cheki pakekana nyangiti mate ntubone toriga tigali ekali chisegicha kya kabere kali jirjera mani ni umwa roto renda kabisa mongo muna bahami na ndio manye ko babwati na tawama atoma yego chakurmate muna mwewa ncheno mo principal secretary of broadcasting and telecoms ncheno mwano ino tigambata biga bana bima tinja nsenyinge nchio tigambata biga inu muma ite chieri chikole magoze bano muma ite mane chieri bona yere mugondo neli ko ku William Ruto nere mugondo ego kolega zikobusere kabisa nere yagera tuache no Professor Bitoke nere yagera tuache don CP gaiga onye mute tukonya bana baito na lero mpo bangatora sini niko bangatora sini mute tukonya bana baito porque tokubate sia serikali ya bono egera toro mangana muna ya mama county aletire na mangana ndi chipara chisukuru chinyagitari egera tokonya ne abana baito bekoye keruze bano arambe Rais Ruto asante sana na mnachua pia Governor Arati is also now with the president na ni kichana yetu ni mtoto wetu. So I really want to close here Mama County hiyo tutawapanga kabla hatujatoka. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki.
Na mwancho muligere buna enchira ya mo yoko genderelia kiama kia UDA mujumbe we bunge ya Kitutu Chache North omoske Chabeti Nyakundi webegoro mugacho monene bwe kiama kia UDA gara umuroboli boko igoro we chiabe che kiama kyo asinsemo cha Ntuimaruo ase ebunge ya Kuria gaukwana na bamenyi be chinsemetio umusikenya kundi niganya kwakarera anne mono emiremo umuraibu enso musike William Ruto aberega gokora naboigo aberega kwenekereria abakenya hasanya kobaka baboli bagende kumusira hiria nyara kobaka kugendera gwikirania amagendero ao kolengana amo nemirobeli yae.
Lakini cha muhimu sana, wacha niwaeleze watu wa Kuria, hii kazi ambayo mbunge wenu wakishirikiana na Mheshimiwa William Ruto wanafanya hapa, sio hapa peke yake hii kazi inafanyika. Mimi wacha niwaambie huyu William Ruto, hizi soko ambazo mnaziona zikijengwa hapa, soko hizi tuko na soko zaidi ya 400 zinajengwa Kenya mzima kupitia Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Hizo affordable housing mnaona zikijengwa, kuna affordable housing nyingi zaidi ya 1,500 zinajengwa Kenya mzima kupitia Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Huyu William Ruto ambaye mnaona maneno ya SHA yeye alipanga. Saa hizi tuko na watu ambao wako katika SHA zaidi ya milioni 29 ambao wamejiunganisha na maneno ya SHA.
Nchumo rigereri gwikira bono ndigo tokugenda omutimoko omokeigo kurento kwenda cyako tokenda mange hinse iye keunga ijuma chinsa ibere higoto skoshare.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, computer programming, cyber security pamoja na digital animation and media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za plumbing na building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tokokora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyoranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto boigo share n'abasani amune amate ejo baigokie bemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kobagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekenakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Ujawano kigima mwancho mwalika karibu sensemo ya kabire ya mangana maya ya kionga ijuma chinsa ibere na tigo tokaenda gwikase bunge ya Bonchari gusase bunge ne umucho Nairobi asomo jumbe we bunge ya Bonchari muzike Dr. Charles Onchoke anyakabaga kuboli meye bunge ekamati yobolendi nyarikabage kwayanekia obotuki obotindi na koleta ama gosina koleta roboti igoro yogo kwa Bakenya ime yense ya Russia osense ya Ukraine kubatakana munechise kichikante kana kiwagati yense ya Ukraine amo na Russia egati ya Bakenya nigo basinyarikabago siria amagimabo ase banyatoka bagwenyora bakurwanira ense ya Russia ime yense ya Ukraine namono omnyagosira gosana mono obotitukanu nigo bagendete gwerorekana ase gosokubatakana amono gosira kwa Clinton nyapara mogesa uyonyatoka bagakwane kigwagosira ime yense ya Ukraine ase amataye yanyakabage kubolirwa gogeseke kubolia nyarikoge gwaso gwasyolerwa ogosira kwaye na aliagendete igoro yogosira kwaye.
Charles Onchoke. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44-2C, I rise to request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations regarding the reported coercion of 2 Kenyan citizens into military service in the Russian Federation. Honorable Speaker, on diverse dates in September 2025, Mr. Clinton Nyapara Mogesa, holder of passport number BK154412, and Mr. Justus Mayenda Ombati of passport number AK0515051622, both from Bonchari, traveled to Russia separately in pursuit of employment opportunities as security guards through the engagement of recruitment agencies. Upon arrival, however, they were allegedly coerced into signing contracts to serve in the Russian military, despite having no prior military training or experience. The two are said to have undergone a brief conscription training before being deployed to the front lines of the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict. Honorable Speaker, it is reported that in November 2025, Mr. Ombati sustained severe injuries while at war and consequently was admitted to the DDT Pletna City Clinical Hospital Intensive Care Unit in Moscow. The family believes that Mr. Ombati is still at the said facility to date. Honorable Speaker, on the 1st January 2026, Mr. Nyapara's family learned through social media that their son had perished in combat. To date, the family has not received any form of communication about the circumstances facing their kin. Honorable Speaker, this incident raised grave concerns about the safety and welfare of Kenyan citizens seeking legitimate opportunities abroad, as well as the effectiveness of our diplomatic interventions in such situations. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence, and Foreign Relations on the following. An up-to-date report on the whereabouts of Mr. Clinton Nyapara Mogesa and Mr.
na mwanchwa umuligereri umugose okobwatarana gati ye serikali gose serikali serikali na mwana serikali chi county negenta kama kyaba Kenya kwa kana kwali tukolia lero asikenya kwa gukwanirwa ase umusangagano nyakabo kurawa gose Kenya kwa kurawa amo no mukwaje bumuraibu ense musike professor Kithure Kindiki asege kaligie kiranwa amo na bagavana gwetera ase kyombe kya bagavana Council of Governors nigamanga kwanirwa ase umurai gose umukonyo muraibu ense nyakabo kwa nani ngomurubulyo sha ogenderete gokoria buya na niga bakenya bagante kwerikia ense iyo murubulyo jo ananya kwa bagabol bagande kwerikia iliko genda konyora ogokonywa gusogosiro gwetera ase murubulyo.
IBEC encourages the Ministry of Health, the COG, and all stakeholders to keep the engagement and streamline all outstanding issues. And we hope that based on the reduction of the unpaid claims, which we are told has moved from 10 billion to 6 billion now, roughly, we hope that in the next meeting of IBEC, we'll get even better progress report. Gradually, Taifa Care is becoming universal because one of the aspects of universality is in numbers. From 7 million in NHIF to now 29.4 million Kenyans. We are moving towards universality. If we can keep on increasing that space into 40 million, then truly we can say we have a universal healthcare program. So I think that is something that we should commend ourselves as a country. Secondly, that this program now has reached irreversibility. So we have to perfect it. We cannot reverse this. With all these Kenyans on board, we cannot imagine this program not working. It's not possible. It's like letting the whole country down on such an important issue.
Umuonyakirogo w'ikiombe kya bagavana kimakatuna Council of Governors COG omoske Ahmed Abdullahi niganyakabaga kwanira asege karegio asanyakabaga kwanirwa yokubagwa gwekibesa gukia Sechi County asata babona nigabagavana basemberete gushikanyara gwetana shishiringi bilioni chimisano ase chisabu chigo chigwa kwa sasa kubabagi bole bosio oigo niganyakabaga kwanira mbere serikali yatukwemukia namono igoro yokurwania amangana amangana yomurakera ayoganda kwana kiwa chinsemo anachinsemo chiria chia North Eastern.
This is a very important IBEC because this is where now the process of the division of revenue for this fiscal year 2026 for the coming fiscal year 2026-2027, which we all know is an election year, starts. Excellency, we note that Treasury has already submitted its proposal of an allocation of 420 billion to counties for the fiscal year 26-27 to Cabinet, and that I think was communicated as a communication from Cabinet. We also seized of the fact that the CRA has proposed a figure of 458, and as a council we'd also submitted to CRA, because we start by submitting our proposals to CRA, a figure of 534 with the build-up of through justifications for that number. On matters of drought, there's a lot of effort being made, but we need better coordination, I think, at the county level, so that when interventions, especially that touch on county functions, also come to the ground, the counties and national government ministries are better coordinated to synergize their joint effort but we appreciate the interventions being made with respect to food ration, with respect to feeds. And for the feeds, as counties, we request that for a start, the
Manchomo ligerali go krabna to kolera mangana maya aye keonga ijuma chinsa ibere jeni ngongoro kwaro ne toto nyangiri kuransa memenyerio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makoli kole ndo kunyole tu manchomo ligerali yarone litukolina na alia radio ensengima ase ababwatane abagata ochengerali tukali wasabanyaka bakonyora tukelio na into kwa niapa ya Getembe FM na into dikoto kwenyuranga Getembe FM na 102.7 litukolire litukochengera barali baito bonsi na baligera na bategera baito bonsi ba Getembe FM 102.7 korwa asense mya transmission nigakoro kwa DJ akorwa DJ Atsan gose Kevin Ongeri magaich camera nigakoro kwa Wilfred Matundra kende gotwara buliro bya mya Getembe TV ekiunga kia mwa mogusi boigo ogendere gotwara gose gochengera litukeliga ke karandra litukoli radio atenga happy radio day.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Getembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mati, ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Ayondigereti. Chababiraton kiritata. Chababiraton kini. Kabiyangarogoro nere magwa. Okene kwana musiri yara kitali kabiyange soyote bikanga ya. Ururu wangi tira ngora. Tikuchire bintu bwangu. Bento kuwate ruge into kigu gori into kuwate buna okereigo karake bwati na geitono bia chababira tonkiri irangora chababira tonkini onyenge ndoto yokora ebe kango boronge kabiso mwenga no bwa dobe robite bikoro tamorta kobeta maguta kobeta chababira tonkini kabiyanga rogoro mere magwa na mu gusiata to garenda kime yone kware kote ya renda kabino richiere bintongora tiko kwaragere bintu nebinde mbiri birakoretera obokong namu gusia tete ngiche kabireyo
Baraka ninjo ninjo Getembe ninjo Dorome ninjo Mangana Mati ninjo Bangina ninjo.
Ine nuganeti konyora chisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January iyogenderete nigo bakurwa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Samarieta ngo kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as Nyaliwari Masaba constituency, ward ya Gesusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu, abanafunzi ndobwate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekwarama itenga abayigoli baito gotwara barobwawa asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tole kubaijuleria kusips eje kuba funding kuruase serikali pamoja na funding ya kuruase High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukia kwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ekira abakonye isikali nwali intake intogenderete karibu
intake ya January nigo egenderete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.
Nabono kumurekere wodi ya Bomariba nigo serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii inseyo mugabana Paul Simbarati ya enekirio gukinigwa kwebirengo ase dispensary ya Entange na boigo dispensary ya Isamwera. Chipara ase wodi ya Bomariba boigo nigo chire libagali nene abamenyi bagokere tokoroisigwa wepara ya mugumo Park Street.
Kwa sababu ya hii Park Street yetu ya soko yetu ya Mugumo imechengwa, na hakika ilipochengwa tumeona tukiendelea vizuri. Kitu ambao hakiko katika hii Park Street yetu ya Mugumo ni mataa, tuko na giza sana.
Chipara chinde ngamo nelia ya liambeche lia somoni monchurulia obuali Isamwera amonelia ya Igonga Nyamagundo Kenyorora ejo ase nonyerabo abamenyi basabire para yende ase nsemeye elia magani abo ogwikiranigwa
yaito ya Kasarani njabo atoba kongubonge sana kurumaega gotware gwa kanso kumukie kaso makwoiga mwinali kwa sababu rangeti ekaza mayanga go gwakana ono lero ndoje ngambiere musiero tobekeiro moro ya tubwatanire Kenya
epale korugonga gochikenyorora nero osiri
ngwetachire bono iga ndoje no omurayi oro egeti otemire mono sana igotiga to mweri bagakore gasi
ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe television network nero ego kwayega asiri golidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare nobo manyi wigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo iyiwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wego gwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigo yakisimi gwitira namba 0741499726
Kyokombulyo mwanone kiririjane
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogoko obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somuchobo songo angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimya sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayiga asiriguririo gutugutira ninchwe omurikirwe ye masije munaba munyi baitabo bare no manyi wiguro igeti byetibwa te signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukurika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simigwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwanone kiririjane
kumurekere wodi yabo Murenda ime yabo Nchali okogendera kwagachwa gwechiro yasuneka nigento abatumeki bechireye abagokerete koraria nigo era chigokonya kurusia baonchoreria astipara nabo igo gwekenga kurua somo basomo tinde nonyenenga kiembura.
But tuna request gavana wetu atumalizie soko yetu hapa mjini Suneka ndio watu tupate kufanyia biashara huko ndani. Juu kuna wengine wanatandika kwa mabarabara na watu wanatakikana kupata penye wanachikinga.
Aboigo okobekwa wa Kapros asechireye naboigo chinchira chinyetanaine negento kyogochia goikirania obonchoreri obo.
Na skulu sana kwa gavana wetu juu alikubali ametutengenezea barabara vile kwa hii barabara yenye ilikuwa inatusumbua hapa ndani ya Shoko alituwekea Gabros na vile alituwekea Wapros at least watu tunauza vizuri na kuna stress.
Asense moyende niga serikali yabekiro mokia asamangana yobochenu akwene kiukwa gachwa gwechiwodi chabasacha abakungu amo ne yabana se health center yaliyo tachi gokonya bamenyi bensemeye aboigo gokoro kwa gachwa gwe dispensary ya Kiabusura aboigo kobeke sora ase dispensary yeye kando no kwa gache nyumba ya Kebara gokonya batumeki bare ase center ya Kiabusura. Abamenyi bekenyoro kiabitare nigo bagokerera umuroberio bwa serikali ya Kisii kwa gache gesima kia mache imeye skuru ya bitare SDA Hybrid Senior School nibitacho kobekwa isiko gokonya abamenyi aba gukora umuchando wa macha sensemeye.
Macha yatokonyire korwa gacheta abangina bonsi na abana bonsi baka abana besukuru bakonyekire bagachire roja satambe bono twanyolira mache tokoteba gakia macha tigagenderere tuyarinde anyare ko bagotokonya.
Kwa mheshimiwa Simbalati na mshukuru sana kwa sababu kwa hii mradi ametuletea hapa, tunamshukuru sana kwa sababu maji yanasaidia sisi, tunapatia ng'ombe zetu, tunakunywa, watoto wa primary wanachota hapa, wa secondary wote. Kwa hivyo namshukuru hasa maji haya mheshimiwa atuletera atokonye sana asicho nyumba tinero mwemusio yito atokonyire ba wote na Simbalati atuletera maji haya igaso bwenge simba na bakuya na kitamwire na tutoroje
macha ega tokonyire county government yeito twatebire ngambu ya mono nande egendere gukora boyo macha ya konyire ekinyurugie ito gyonsi boyo pake skuru na morocha iga skuru ya konya kirimono abana ba konyiru igobono muchando bwa mache oelira sekinyureke
kubatikana no kugania igatie chipara chia rosigwe ase gwodi ya Murenda ngamone para ya Nyanchabo liokerio ya masegege bumachoge amone yali otachi tumaini eyo abamenye nsemeye bagokerete na kugania chinsemo inke chitigarete gokorwa
ogambi amana se pare yo arati atatengenesera nebekirera moro mubuya kuchimono ngota konyero basombe bwechi emesie amatoke kwaenda karano na yande kujisuneka.
Ile kitu nilikuwa nashukuru sana ni kwa sababu ya mzae Simbalati alitutengenezea njia na akatupromise ataweka makarabati atuwekee malam ya kufika ile njia ya chini ya Nyangoge. lakini ile kitu wamefanya tunashukuru.
Karibu Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jobo bundi yijesemi chekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security buiko Digital Animation and Media asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronics, Boygo Telecommunication, Asensomo ya Institutional Management Department, Nkurubari, Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy, Ensomo ya Health Science Department, Mbabuate, Health Records, IT, na Community Health, Asensomo ya Business Studies, Mbabuate, Human Resource, Business Management, na Supply Chain.
Inche Samarita Dr. Were Momanyi, the principal Burabu Technical Training Institute. Burabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Burabu Technical Institute igere some abana nade koru chikosi nyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresa obwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotigo mwana ngabere isiko ngoko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke serikali aiguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aiguchibesa kurwe serikali ese motokoruka help aiguchibesa chia CDF igo mwana oyo ekera iruchibesa ichonsi igemineti nga igagosoma bosa tobaise gotigo mwana oisiko ekiagera nga tobwatie besa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora masomo achigwekonya nanda achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egendrete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asebare kisi ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inoti isano na ibere inoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano na isano nemo inye inoti isano na ibere isano na ibere inye isato ibere inoti isano boigo inoti isano na ibere isano isato inye ibere isano nemo kusoma taliri ase website www.burabu.tti.ac.ke Burabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Mate kwa rura ka history mpaka na inji kwa nginyo ringa tigante hebe.
Na yote kai kwa chake tere.
I have one year experience.
Ase radio.
Kurundwe skuru na kore umwako ya meredi. And I thank the fraternity ya Gatembe. Especially the
wacha ketensa me TV ugacha ketemba ko peke radio.
Actually ina chagete ninyorete na renge one media house na tu akaletro muro geto ke siasa iga TV. But my first to see a radio how it operates, I think Gatembe heke. Njabono surprisingly omonto mutanga nyongere tembeo yakoro kumakopio. Na chite Sunday gete gato komera nere.
Furukania.
Togasoa akangost no magani ese ngi na renge passionate. Actually I was very passionate na media, especially as a radio. Na renge monto TV mono. Ese ngi na njete radio mono. Na but I have a lot of mentors ba na gareka tagara kurukare. Kurundo mwana I used to love radio sana. And I thank God at least now bono yeah, as we are talking I'm part of the radio and as we are celebrating this radio day. Maetere radio nya tutari mashabiki
bali tegera rate
iga mashabiki yali yako rali bagari yabo totegera na watu wa Kresim we acknowledge you na tunawapenda sana.
Ana akarongora kwenye akatokora kwa nego radio kwa radio. Tukwa neso kwa chakwa itoka tembe ke watare makopio kwa kete radio. Na tabere na manya 19 ombe kete radio tembe. Ali sense mo eliende monto pe kete radio lenkoro konga Emmanuel Mashumbe. Manu Emmanuel. Yeah. Emmanuel.
I'm one of the people by the way the rumba. And my Emanuela is a serious rumba presenter.
Wana karotoko kenda wana tu karotoko extend kidogo. Karona kinete my favorite. Na lengo mondo ngorukunga Waweru Mburu. Waweru Mburu na gaikire paka ncho mone paka ngwaranga na bonda be Waweru Mburu.
Actually na demo bweke. No. You miss that voice.
And coincidentally mama na era mwanjete wo.
Waweru.
Chinza muna chiko ka saa 2 kitia marogoba. Andonse sere diere. Ogo mama agotabu mongena sabina ga sare nyangiri. Agotabu nga inde radio to wamburungi agotabu. Abango wamburungi agotabu. Ingu wono manya gote kara radio ya koldre ko kwana manya gote cha kwana raising akiwamburu atabu. Cha agotabu ngo monto matinere tariko abra serikali arama serikali sana kara ya go asire monto mu ya sana motogi. So unfortunately Waweru Mburu na itakasiri bwa.
Rest in peace. Yeah. I want to thank
Enemeka na radio maito muligere na bago ngaki World Radio Day. Nkitoka chenge World Radio Day. So noko inyuranga nero.
Te ko recommend mo svatio yomo. O gerete nani na o accelerate the love of radio. When I was in school I used to listen to Mario Nyanjara Wasiri. I hope you know my Mario Nyanjara Wasiri. She's a lady I used to love. Arenge ko reto mrobergete werumba. I used to love rumba sana. Babo baji machoka, babo mungwa naro. There's a guy who was ukweto rukoro kwa Rhino Tick. You remember those people? Niko balenga baya sana. Kolende, as we are celebrating, muna tuwata ya mashabik radio bila mashabik. Babo nyakwa majua kala ndogo. I can't even mention. Yes, njubara banga. So karibu sana.
Asante.
Ototo bono la Roma itinja I have to take control. Mwingi kero tokora bege karo.
Ninja. Ewa naga baga taba.
Ninjenda.
Niko singere kata nga maganitaji kura. Njubara no maganitaji.
Ono ninja ya kero nde radio. Anda bono muna ere World Radio Day. Oh ninjendega. Omaite, we have been talking the question of when. Ndeto to nimaite no masomure. Whether anything you are not sure what it will happen. For the last 3 or 4 weeks, me and you are agreeing, Edwin Sifuna, it is a matter of time. When?
Not what if and whatever.
What if or whether he will go or not. We have been discussing about when he will be going. Actually, Bono obo bani bori boito ndoriba nene to bani lakini ndo bani bori boito bwa siasa boy currently we were vindicated. So what is your take on the removal of Edwin Sifuna as the Secretary General of chama ya ODM?
Njoma atakarongorigera siasa mostly sam na bana siasa kero muntu nabwate level yaye abwante goika munabona iga ngochitoro gotabanga maite nkine ntambe munanda ntambe ndole munanda nole ituko ndiyo ndabe omonne ko bwatata. There's no day. Ni nsoma bakantu ale PhD ndo ku doctor professor Chitaito Jones mbwate PhD ko sensi kitukana kana. At the end of the day my dad nabakwa mwando ko moisi na ande nkuitaba. Nabaki but agata ko moisi olda na rangeli ko chaga na ndai nana ko minyoka. Ata banga chambura bango tuma mbolinga yota identume bakangike. So abantu mbali bagoika baranga wameotigro goseba akinire goetani ekerengo batubona karo egento bago chibeba banta bago chibeba ngelinga kero muntu nabwate egento ekorunga optimum okina ko muntu ngo bwate limit buna bona kato koligeli moske Edwin Sifuna aigetage of value akoranga is the most important person as a kiama ODM ya inga magosa no but you should learn from history. If you learn from history ngaki abantu balenge more powerful. In fact there is no one a very powerful as a kiama ODM than a team yango ku Pentagon.
207.
There's no one. Pentagon they were untouchable. Kuranga abanabu engineer kiama. But baga drop boy maso yo mara kini kiama gigatika. So you can ask yourself, onye William Ruto joro muraibu enseba onoiga osoka tukurese kiama ODM gigatikara. onye Uhuru Kenyatta jobe to muraibu yense osoka tukure sekiama gia ODM gigatigara babo chonyaga babo najo palala babo mudavadi bagasoka kiama gigatigara then ekero kubeka abantu abese sako ya abantu aba then wisi Sifuna. That's number one. Number one, number one nominating aki Sifuna age offer value, age offer rate. Nanda karanga offer kiro ile kiama. Number two nyumota iranili. Number two makosa anda Sifuna naye.
Era nguko bodi niko iranili.
Yeah.
Enganya ke karamo. Era nguko bodi.
Number two sa makosa Sifuna naye. Karo kuligire history ya kiama. A secretary general. Aba secretary general baba ile sekiama gia ODM gocha. Ngakibarule sekiama. Nakibasoke. Historically, history. Are you going to fall in the footsteps ya baba ruoro gose? Gose o takete gose nayo takete go chat echani yao. Then igaba yamegochanga tume gukwanda ngaki abantu bale sekiama ime. Esa abana bale babere bayibiro omochi omwana oli omoigweri. Nigagutaka uyo tari omoigweri abe punished gose anyitari ko punished yoli mpia tu stop ntoigwera otota yunga tonto goli siombe ngende goli siombe endu yana enda goli siombe ende kwa komopira mara ko batira ntu stasa kero nato ko mabera marurano toli twense emetinga mamingo manjiko lisi ko maite so oyo takora utaigwera wikabe punished aba abo monne baba oromoke bono pressure eise ko banga na banga yo na bote falio na se na bote falio na sikiama ya ODM aba bande bako ekoranga nabo abaigweri tikatotenga kuta ndikote bako ekoranga nabo abaigweri sikiama ya ODM ebako beka pressure ngaki ingi ndumara utenga totware atoba begen uche sikiama na tugwere kiama na tobara yo uche sikiama oyaro tari ko igwere ngimwa mokoreire so he had to serve as an example so nakogenda against is serving as an example
okay to anybody ojipo
bono onye okuboli ngaki onye mimi ndio Sifuna ameenda nyumbani wewe ni nani either you toe the line you don't toe the line no ososi maite ososi maite
could be the because I think deputy party leader no mana we second
no ososi kesikia neke ngao kidogo number 1
tutaraenda sasa ngo kuboli swali gete
yeah number 1 ososi kero kumuligera liga ndeka tagani towe tokumukwaniranga asekia magio ososi like an alien chendo jengana alien asekia magio because onye ne party leader kolenga muna ba bete kwendelia bete lista digali in fact ososi ale number 3 ne kia magio ODM egekwara 2 deputy party leaders so ososi abekire gali ngaki noje bana limo gochesa APS elimo chesa aka mwana kati kata ko chanda amokomwa APS yeli console igenda liko tumeko chesa lakini kita connect kucheza computer na bakonya komata iko lakini that's ososi yeah
ndio kuboli neki igenda nayo kuboli neki this one ndio nataka kuboli omanyete William Ruto no barengo ODM Salim Mudavadi no barengo ODM
Najib Balala John Nyaga
of course John Nyaga na bande another team na babo Kalonzo they were part of ODM before they ended na ODM Kenya initially yange ODM Kenya babo manzo and all those and you know the history of ODM lakini bono engakinire wika no na ebuno rega I'm like you're using your father as an example on that to make and I have an example because Mogako is a very special person bringing a good person like you minari oberenga igomanyete mwata tomina ogenda takomanya mwata tomina ndi togocha ko consider ngabano kwa ngainire
no
yitu kogocha korwo
at the end of the no ngainia no tangainia
lakini rende keromanyete in the setup yenyomba ya tatomina kerote to grow can you grow in your house in your father's house
no
you have to go
but one
ara kwesa igankeko URSA over secretary general was Sifuna alafu kuruabo na yakora grow and there's a time when William Ruto it had to come a time that oegirigu obaira sekiama ya ODM bona ikiringa kinera ategegwe tachira aende airusanio alright there's something we talked last time about this is a time na Babu Wino if you want to cover maybe the kingpin alias Raila this is the time you inherit that a certain bad thing must happen for you to come iso bona nare kuboliga William Ruto bagasoka Uhuru Kenyatta bagaicha bagatwara they ended up having TNA Jubilee William Ruto akarua gachaka usena UDM bona kiaringi agacha UDM
URP
agacha URP agacha ochire paka UDA we had people like Musalia Mudavadi. I think he was part of the UDM again.
Yeah, NC.
Amani, National Congress, NC. I think
UDR.
When we talk about abantu buna babo
Barara Karosiki I go say Republican Council.
Yeah, Balala Naro City. Sifuna again recover ODM, we cannot know who is Sifuna by the way. If Sifuna the other side of him Morusigo and the next step is making, don't you think that is a way to grow? Babo, is it not time to grow that we can take this as a positive thing? Thing go say igabairu sitima pen.
No mate about nero yoko giro wanto ta kota akara kutmeke example jo tumengune example kia Ruto ODM njali ngata mga Ruto yarenga an adoptive father niga beta adopted dinga ki nchoja ko beraga na bokoro kana no yoiso because initially go literally Ruto niga ro mwana okano. So kanu reta sasio munga ki reta sasio munga ki kanu ne dakiki alengeta to mga Ruto agasira agakwa so we kairuta ingolio montako rukatata
oyari abasiru bonse
oyari gatata bono eto otnero Sifuna nigakiniri na ODM.
Okay.
Without ODM Sifuna tali korrekana ndonse oinjore gutira akaro Sifuna achage korrekana Sifuna na kole na bolti obo MP Kandui
once
nane chikura ara anyorete njiri ko banyenje ko kwane kabuja iko so Sifuna achete ko bakogiro akaro banyorete ngesegi apabu na mwamba ngwa tushainyara ababwata nibekia magia audio balipata mutagete bana bakanyoranga the only person bagutumika kurwali omuntu olenge ne jet kinando reka do bwata potential Sifuna akabagurumde oko kubagurumde kwa Sifuna akabeko out of amangana regional amangana professional regional parenting professional omonu bakabaka batanga kyo montora machiko press ababu na mwambaga nedo Sifuna but nobody expected Sifuna nacho kugira at the level akobolio basanta bana Nairobi nandaire lakini bana Nairobi basanta bana Nairobi abana no ikibuli ya so irenga ki bana isanire nando kuisana tali bobe it means singa omaite ndobate story omwana musiru ngotenga nabo mwana akogenda guchiali akonya ke usta akonya omwana musiru da sabeta gatanga na njina isanire ngatere ngorogie so bomwa ne boli kana mbali jombe chiane sijikerete kerege ndukana kana ngende guchiga lakini agagairana talibons bakogenda bapio kese bagenda
so let me use the statement against you statement ile whatever gabunga ababu na mwanga akataka ku outshine au barengo bakamugusi Is it the same case that Edwin Sifuna is outshining the current?
That is it. Bwana you guys think you give Sifuna as a secretary, Sifuna is the best secretary of the Emira atwale. Ndio yeye na onye balengo ndo bwate anyange nyongo ndo bwate ababu na mwamba ndo bwate Afghanistan gocha Sifuna might stand out to be one of the best. I think about the same level to have na ababu na mwamba as we express no na opinion check yam. So ogo outshine yoko na koko ngaki aba otakete kora your bosses barekana babe mate gatabgiri kora sabungo semva titro so pa gatanga don't outshine your boss kira se ina rosne mitandao omonto kotoke wodia muningo Sifuna Sifuna irangi ya ise DM ngaye gotoka akari ko position 780 go chinsalie bono ntabi ngaki abali gore ya bakwe akaro secretary general agora ganale mo paf na anda ta ko gain influence ko buga ona ne party leader
for his future
he should have known how to play his cards but Intoro tenga nama. Intoro tenga tama itenga kiengo. Intoro tenga tama itenga kiale go kore kurene. Eke ndongere moske apa muna moske Johnny Badi akwa na temo isonda tenga ki. Whether you have your opinion as a person or not. Ngora nkwa gwararo re chi statement usekero monda serious family chi nene. Chi statement chiko soka. Baka tenga spokesperson ni family ne. Nebo yo naitire ustaitire nebo boko tuga nomboro. Onye family atabanga ki batebi na aramisi yago tugutu. Igo moberen aramisi yago leta tugutu chuma. Teruka na gotenga eba mereri jana ta tugutu chuma piri, lakini ba mereri te tumu te chuma. Nigo communicate the position of the party. So according to Elmo Waziri Bomangana Treasury Moske Johnny Badi nigata tenga omo chanda mano Sifuna tama itiko tofautisha Sifuna senator ya Nairobi Sifuna omonto na Sifuna secretary general ye kiama gia ODM ako bukani bionsi ubibwato kirando
communicate personal issues
ndeka basti ye kiama so that's the problem that's why nambodi baada ya tanga onye tuwekara ansiro jobu na neck a governing body ye kiama gia ODM to atabire ngaki intubune kiama gia ODM tigatokore gasi na serikali this Sifuna gocha tanga ki inchebuna Sifuna kende katinga njira ndira kini yako bakata yawansa ini tigansa
by the same case that happened liba algo sign the UD
bona anaram magos so it's either morora kanange mumunga boyata ose momo whip and the option is a politics that you crash your enemies and crash them completely.
Okay.
So
let me ask you. I think we're heading to the same case. Nanchire na ande I used the history that we used last time, whereby now I think I can afford Kenya. Jaramogia Aqua. Ali Raila Odinga achagete ko atagete the mantle, but through another party. Kerikia NDP NDP. Yeah. He took that position. Enamba ende kara babu na mwamba rusiwa as a secretary general we kiama ya ODM actually bo chorbu abwatiti igarengo mojumbe obudalangi tachiti kubwa and that is how he has never made a political comeback. And the same is happening that and now that Tuare Jalang after the removal of Sifuna Tuare Jalang go Jarkobodi. Is it that these people who have abaiga rusiri Sifuna they are haunting him ba make sure he's losing the
to Kironorochika ni nyuma batara murusi nyuma batara Sifuna asekiama egento bako teketaga no test waters the day before naliba so gatiri ya Jarango akiti Jarango na rochi kubole bosana takura asekiama ge ODM the county ya Nairobi a day before bakatema go test ko igunga ki feelings ya bando jiko ya Jarango
what was the
so exception yaro korekana ne perception konya saka ko Sifuna apikiria triese amangana online njale ko barao bakole kure njale ko arao Charanga malchaini mapema le aro njale ngene gatubuje sijara but a point yana njale nge no koligenjira yoko eliminate Sifuna ngora the first no identify nga ngora replace Jarango yani ngora replace Sifuna bakanyoranga tibara Jarango na Jarango na gatoka no montoro mwango ara gatema kana ara gatekeranga kana ngoboldo bosena now the next thing in Sifuna obere de we prikorwese ekiama kia ODM meaning ngochera ko bade we no ane biroge bya bwata muna a deputy minority whip eminto mne bya ngoro siguro ejo ni influence ya ngo bere towed down achiko tigara muna o senator bosana ordinary senator ejo mnitinga as such function ichire a backing order eri guru protocol ngochera ko genda kuchinsa sana ane ataikire no ane so kwana no ane semekutano ako baruna others bali bakoteka tena mowe politically na mondo ko chago ituo ko reso ko ikira ngabona influence ya ko ba eko yuru ngora na bocho itu another thing in history egento kere bako chikomoto umekane kenga history ya county ya Nairobi either you are in ODM or the government yes muna bono iga kurugi Nairobi ajete eito mosena mo governor we kiama ge okiro ODM gosikia magire ko ra serikali mosena ta kwanda na biko genda yo bono imagine to ikire 2007 ODM ya treng niri Jarango Nairobi UD ata batiri ko ni mondo imagine scenario ye onta binga Sifuna ago jugocha the third option ye kiama as a county Nairobi tata for example DCP what are the chances chuko riteni korogeki so ekina kibono bago tume and you can be naboko ko ba surprise ye kadora nyore ngaki at the end of the day aba tango ko kira na wale barangir Sifuna mutenga kitiga mangana mangi toko etikati ya yo Nairobi odi vandikiro kyo basana na ODM jaranga ira na adibyo ya kirangata tokero chole kama monta ko karanga liba ngo kopie tiagera wa mujomba kwa raba kwa mujomba kwa raba kwira nga waro chiali. So that is politics.
So that is how politics is, and that is how politics is. And don't you think that this wari mambo ate kirambiro chitu ategeri anche dai kai chinka sana por murubure tukolera senga nchimiro buriende. Don't you think that Sifuna has branded himself to a point like now at a political base much as rende atari ase chama ya ODM? Has he created an impact that almost nebo musingi we bya makoro, lakini personally as Sifuna yeye kama Sifuna has he created a political impact that can allow him survive alone?
No, not yet.
Taraike
Sifuna taraike sara tenenre kama Sifuna atabenga muna Sifuna bori aitenenre atabenga bono njen Sifuna the same way moske the same way tatabe ruta korete gusabara ya bande ba korete gocha gocha. It's not easy within ndaibe ka siasa. So number one, resources more than ODM needs him. Bonega resources Sifuna tabu ati resources chira mwene pokorani ekiama kia independent patrida eno mubweka no mutangana ngendo kendi kia kabere Sifuna bono iga taratwara tabu ati network elia gotabanga na natwara gosotabanga Sifuna igwere kiama kia mune patrida anta binga apabu na mwamba yani Babu Owino ochire ata tokabera anda Sifuna because Babu Owino na era atakete ko kwande kiama kia ODM na ata tokoba muraibu kiama kia ODM. So there's no sababu kiro chera gara for example moske Babu Owino ODM is a member of parliament na ndara chikubo na no bagafana kiro gene kia sikia atakete agende kiama kia Sifuna is atarishua because it's the same thing. Again taka kwa obwata ku negotiate upwards anyako kosoka ko UDA obwanta kwenda a better political party unless you have been chased away. Anyako kosoka ku UDA mwenda kwa obwanta kwenda a better political party unless you have been chased away. So meaning mo in essence sio nyitra sali ku UDA kwanya ko romuntu ko muka soka ku UDA nyitra sali ko stara ko ser ngabona njwante aso ku UDA ngenda ndo asikiamenga unless ko bwate ambition ere nene iya nyaka bago tangu ese kiama gyodia muna bono yango to Sifuna oikerere feldia ratanga na tekubuli president then ekiyo ngocha komubeka kienge a conversation iri yo gukwane kanga na bago twale a parking maya but which is almost an impossibility
ikabono tatabenga igasoka mapema
Sifuna asoka mapema Sifuna anakura
what is political career
anakura kiburi yake Sifuna njana wanda atabenga Sifuna na bara bwati chimbara terochia ababu na mwamba kataje tikwa rangara
political
kataje tikwa rangara because Nairobi siasa ya Nairobi ne chingong in the way siasa na muna tote katanga echiko managed either
by the
government go say official opposition was the biggest opposition party.
Lakini bono ngo ntakete nkobori gato toto and don't you think that the post baba politics I think need to change narrative. You know, abana siasa banga. I can tell you again to bono ko tutukanu bora sekia magyo I can tell you keringa. Yes, ngenjonga monto tai orengere tingali tukelimo mugako Raila Odinga will die. Abantu mbara abwatere including Baba Gladys Wanga, including Baba John Badi. There are quite a number of politicians who by now the only hope batikare tenero na bengi yani ayo umugaka naro umugaka tato mino naro lakini naende mamo minasi nara achietaka soka lakini mamo mugaka koyu tato mino the father okure tato mino manyino okure kono mondo tikere the next step father no ta getobo konyi no ta ende school onyoranga the only thing you can do we kwe force you were nere because you want to
go to school
just like now. The likes of Baba Gladys Wanga, Baba John Badi, who have been Batarete go Diomoga Raila Odinga. Bona the only stepfather or William Ruto, or you want to go back and go Tarera, is saying to the political survival. That's why on the ones you can the stepfather, but to get it to after Moga Raila Jire, they will do away with you because you go to Kwasari. As back on your their needs. I think that is one of the scenarios. Bono na kinako boarding aki bono umugako yokuri stepfather naro lakini konyora kwa chire skuru wasomire ai gwetene ne ire
anya kaja gwetene ne ire then you have no business yo komana na isomo ke uyo you should just walk away amatenga ncho museti kanga na uji Nairobi ga tomera nesuko talio ganyina ande aje kuragira bamura baje bakosali ngo mwisho isaka ku twatamire kumwegerera
Arikaiwa.
Tuate kubekatari kwa hiyo abaisi bamaye kwa makawata yanga ki tata mtabia gande. Kwara daga sete mndike kwa be. Okay mukai karasi sama kama tenga ki tata naro denga kurtata kwete. Ndol kuira na buya no ngajira ngande ko chumuina tu ngande ko chumuina iga.
Tu mbera nali tu kuria kupira asumuro bege ka. Bia manaro ni tutaso kwete.
Bia mano manje mo tegara lina ese njogo sanga mona intuli tu kali ala World Radio Day. Mate mate ko seno mate ngana ga somera mangana majesere.
Ningo ikere roso nanchengo ya somande lili bali baba soma batake tobo kon anchenkora ande sana because umaite again in media we cover all round talinga obe ngabona no morali kaiga ujaga iwa kemba korwo ana bo kwara some bintu bintu because hazi sana yemana so ikirana gaiga manje motegere konango ntwara opportunity yo kwata jisimi chino ni maite mwate birangire libingi lakini on Sunday yatomera na sensemeliga karo sanga ko batogosanga kigima asali agendrete ase ensemeliga ya siasa njikoro kwa samu yenda 001 twarengenere harono toto kurwa sensemelia yeti